Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today I'm going to open these packages, and I kind of handled this a little bit wrong and something fell out, so I'll go over that in a minute. But I'll open this little one first. So first I got these sriracha yakisoba ramen noodle, instant noodle. I got another pack because I like the other ones. They taste like just like plain ramen, and the flavor for me is kind of why I bought them, because they remind me of old school ramen, and like I can't find any other flavor of ramen that's quite as consistent as this one, with how I think I grew up eating ramen or tasting ramen. To me, it had this flavor, and you know, and I just like to keep things kind of traditional in that sense. So I got this. I was hoping this was a lot bigger. I got this tinted moisturizer by Sun Zapper. You can see this moisturizer, tinted moisturizer, is a sunscreen. It contains aloe vera, argan, and jojoba and vitamin E. And I chose this one because it has UVA and UVB, and it has colors inside of it that it says it masks blemish and imperfection. And for me, that's important when I'm out in the sun. Like I told you guys before, I'm always out in the sun. That's my thing. Everybody knows me as a beach bunny. I'm always in the sun no matter what. So this for me is like a must-have. Not only that, but you know, it's gonna be a lifesaver in the end, because you know, I film now. And so now, you know, when I'm out, I'll film my adventure, and I'll post it for you guys to see. So look out for those. When I'm wearing this, I'll tell you how it feels and how long it lasts and things like that, in case you want to know. And yeah, this is light medium, the color light medium. And so I'm like, it's really excited to test this out, really. And then, oh, and I bought some nails. And just to show you guys what fell out of the bag, kind of want to show you these are stickers. You put them on your nail beds. As you remember, I had an incident when I was doing a TikTok with nails on, and I roughed up my nails, and they're still a little bit rough. You can see this one, and my thumb, and a little, like half of this finger. So basically, you know, the rest you can see are kind of like just normal, but you know, it takes a while to get them off, and eventually I'm gonna have to file this gunk off, the glue. So I bought the stickers, and the stickers have always been a go-to for me. When you buy press-ons, I like to use the sticker method, and the ones that have the stickers I usually scoop up, but they're kind of pricey for me also. So I rarely wear nails, or you know, I don't really do my nails because, like, you know, people that sponsor me or support me or whatever, like all the brands or whatever, usually they don't like to deal with that. I just leave them go. But this year I'm expecting a turnaround. So this year I'm starting to do things differently and be in my own creative mindset, and so, you know, it's gonna be a little bit more different, although I'm still gonna use the same methods of no nail, no color. I'm still trying to work with that and do my own thing. So these stickers for me are now a must-have. and that's what fell out. So let's open the big box. What do you say? Woo. So right away I see I have a 6-pack of Diet Coke. These, I like these because they give me like a boost of energy, and they don't have, I think they don't have like a lot of calories. If I can see this, they have no sugar and 0 cal, so that's perfect for me. I was buying the 0 soda, but these are fine too. I actually prefer these, and yeah, it's like something I've always drank since I was a kid. I've always been athletic, but I always love stopping at McDonald's and hanging out at the mall, and you know, like that's just me. Like I like to go out to eat in, you know, restaurants and still enjoy my life, still to this day, and stick to you know, my mission to have better health, you know. And it doesn't take just 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year. For me, it's a lifelong journey to maintain that, and I hope you guys come along on my health journey. I'm still working on that. Another thing that I have to have in my house is electrolytes. Because I'm active, I have to have electrolytes, and these were marketed as kids drinks, but obviously I think they seen my videos or heard about me on the stores, in the stores, and like I'm always asking. I'll even go to the Dollar Tree, do you guys have this? Like so they have 0 sugar and 0 cal as well. And the thing about these is that they're under $3 for 6 of them, and they have electrolytes in them, and for me this is a good amount of electrolytes per serving. I bought something that I really like. If you guys don't know, this is like my favorite brand. They help me a lot with my dance and also my fitness goals, because I do use dance to become more fit. I do use dance for my cardio and to improve my health. I dance a lot because I feel like that's something that is eventually, you know, like it's gonna keep me and maintain my healthy weight and help me achieve my goals. You guys know I was a dance teacher, a dancer. I still dance, and also, you know, these shoes I have 3 pairs of. I've probably had 4 pairs in my life, but I bought these Halloween eyelashes, or yeah, Halloween eyelashes, and I don't know why they sent me these. I saw like the picture is like way different. So these literally have Mardi Gras colors on them. So if you want to look at them, maybe I'll open them in another video, but these have little butterflies on the tips, and to me they have Mardi Gras colors on them. It's like fuchsia, green, and gold. Probably look for them in another video where I'll unbox them there. And I have bugles. I have this big old pack of bugles. It was like $4. Tabasco sauce flavor, so that's a good deal. And then I get these for under $7. These are 6 something. They're protein power crunch bars. I've always ate these before, during, and after major athletic things, endeavors. They have 300 calories per serving, and 20 grams of protein per bar. So I've tried these before in another video. So let's open this little box and see what's in here. I think I know what it is, and it's only one thing, but I still need to open it. Anyway, so here it is. That's it. This is, sorry, my it's okay. Oatmeal cream pies. I always get these because I don't know, like whenever I'm craving something sweet, these really satisfy that, and I have no idea why. This is kind of the only thing that does. And sometimes I'm not too, like, how do you say, like big on the amount of sugar. It's not very harmful though. It's just a little cookie. But like once I want something sweet, usually it involves a lot of baking or a lot of cooking. And this one particular thing is the only thing that can kind of quench that. And I don't know why. It just has like the enough amount of sweetness and kind of the enough amount of like flavor palette and profile that I usually like, and I think that's why. And it's oatmeal, so it's not that bad for you. Although the sugar is too you know, it's a lot for me, but it's the only thing that when I'm wanting something sweet, it's the only thing that, you know, satisfies my craving. I think for me, the best part is the filling. And the other day I was looking through TikTok. They have giant Little Debbie snacks. And these, you know how they have double stuffed Oreo? They literally have double stuffed oatmeal cream pies. They're like this big. I'm like this fat. Not even playing. This pack, it has 12 snacks in it for about less than $3 or $2.90 something. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. It might sound different, but bye.